Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a massive game changer for your daily study workflow. We are diving into a complete all-in-one AI platform called Use.AI. This is gonna replace all your apps and subscriptions you are jumping between right now. If you're tired of having 10 different tabs open just to research a topic, organize your notes, or summarize a PDF, you're gonna love it. Let me tell you how exactly Use.ai works and how it can save your hours of time every week. Use.ai gives you one subscription multi-model access. That means all of the best AI tools at one place. One of its features is Help Me Write. If you struggle with framing your essay introductions or want to make your ethics case study answers sound more professional and bureaucratic, these tools will rephrase your raw thoughts perfectly. Then by using the prompt Improve Writing, paste your rough, unpolished mock answers here. It will refine your grammar and add professional bureaucratic vocabulary in it. Next is Summarize Text. Instead of spending 2 hours reading a massive, bulky government report or a long Hindu editorial, you just use this feature to get crisp, bite sized bullet points for your revision notes. And then we have a cluster of thinking tools: learn about, brainstorm, and generate ideas. Wherever you hit a mental block on complex topic like the nuances of international relations, just use learn about to get a beginner friendly breakdown. You can use brainstorm and generate ideas to quickly come up with the multiple dimensions for a mains answer like social, economic, and political angles. Click learn about when you need a beginner friendly simplified explanation of a tough GS3 science and tech concept. And look at the right side, analyze image and analyze data. You can literally upload a complex geography map or a massive data chart from the economic survey, and the AI will break down exactly what you need to memorize from it. This tool is literally a blessing. You need to stop paying for 5 different AI subscriptions. When Use.ai is your new companion, it's ultimate all-in-one AI workspace, and it might just replace ChatGPT for your daily workflow. One interface for multiple leading AI models. It's the best tool for students. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it out from a description.